Good afternoon from Wilmore, Kentucky, here on Earth Day, April 22nd, 2019. We're standing at the Rice House here in downtown Wilmore, across from the Red Caboose, and we, with the donations of local private foundation, and we have put solar panels on the Rice House. We have a 2.9 kilowatt system, as you can see here. The City of Wilmore has been benefiting from this since August 2018, and they're very, very happy and pleased at the production of these solar panels. So much so that they asked if we could put more solar panels on the Gazebo, which is right up here on the Wilmore Green, which holds concerts and has family reunions and other events. So let's go on up there. Here we are at the Gazebo on the Green here in Wilmore, Kentucky. The Wilderness Trace Solar Company in Danville, Kentucky have just completed putting 10 solar panels. This is a 2.8 kilowatt system here on the southeast roof of the Gazebo. You can see their sign here. These solar panels will benefit the community continually and for the next 25 or 30 years, and we're very happy that they look great on the building here. We're also happy that they were able to put them here on the building on Earth Day. Yeah, very good. Have a good day.